Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Arne Cheyenne Johnson, the man behind the infamous Devil Made Me Do It court case. After his trial became a media sensation, people often wonder, where is Arne Johnson now? Let's break it all down. In 1981, Arne Cheyenne Johnson was involved in a highly publicized murder case in Brookfield, Connecticut. He killed his landlord, Alan Bono, during a dispute. What made the case sensational was Johnson's attempt to use demonic possession as a defense, claiming that a demon forced him to commit the act. The court rejected that defense, and Johnson was convicted of first-degree manslaughter. Johnson was sentenced to 10 to 20 years in prison. However, he served only about 5 years before being released on good behavior. During his time behind bars, he worked on getting his life back together, and after his release, he largely disappeared from public view. He married his longtime partner, Debbie Glatzel, and they had 2 children together. Over time, his life has remained more private, with occasional involvement in documentary projects relating to his case. Where is Arne Johnson now? Today, Arne Cheyenne Johnson is alive and living in Connecticut. He maintains a relatively low public profile. Though he no longer is in prison, he has participated in recent documentary work contributing to The Devil on Trial and other media exploring his case. Reports suggest that after his release, he worked for a landscaping business at one point, though that role was more revealed in older interviews. Beyond that, little is known about his daily life or place of residence now. Arne Johnson's case remains unique in American judicial history, the only known attempt to use demonic possession as a defense. While he no longer sits behind bars, much about his post-prison life is kept private. His story lives on through books, documentaries, and renewed interest, but Johnson himself stays largely out of the spotlight.